Hi bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bakaMzitho, it's about unkosikazi kaMusamseleku wesine, which is number 4, wife number 4, uMangwabe. Guys, uMangwabe has been saying ukuthi uzohamba should uMusamseleku take the 5th wife, guys. And mina at this point I think uMangwabe nje uzilalela ngathi or this is just her storyline because hayibo, if you remember guys, the previous seasons of Uthando Nesithembu, uMusamseleku when he introduced indaba number 5 emakhosikazi wakhe, she was one of the wives abathi yena anyeke azawubekeza lento leyo and yena anyeke azahlale should unumber 5 afike ngenxa yesithembiso uMusa wasiyenza ngomshado wabo. Yena uMusa, she said uMusa wathi yena uzoba unkosikazi wokugcina, that means anyeke azalanywe, yena uzoba number 4 and phela. For a lot of people they felt as if she is selfish. I for one, I felt as if you are selfish. You cannot be number 4 ungene ngendlovu yangena because nayo uyasho ukuthi uFerike amakhosikazi amngelanga not futhi amanye mayeni kwaba nzima ukuthi accept ukuthi ukhona, but isikhathi masihamba mayeni wagcina acceptile. Wena manje uwe futhi ongafuni ukungena omunye umntwana wali wena wangena kube khona umuntu ongakufuni. If wena you feel as if we attention, if the abakhosikazi amadala lawa sowashadiwe awamfuni umuntu unkosikazi, lo nkosikazi mina angangeni, wena ungene kanjani? That is my question, but I just feel as if i storyline sakhe and vele uya understand ukuthi mangabe akushiwo lento leyo izovele nje singazi next ngoMangwabe because there's not much, it's not much akhuluma ngayo uMangwabe. Ayikho into esifocus kuMangwabe ngayo ngaphandle kokuthi uzothi uzohamba. The previous seasons uthe uzohamba uMusamseleku makuphela season 7 of Uthando Nesithembu kwavela emunye season noma kungavelanga ubuso, then uMangwabe wahlala. uMangwabe said uMusamseleku ma-admit wathi hayi nangu ubaba sekayagula la sengithi ngihamba khona angikwazi ukushiya uMusa agula, so uzothi makaphuma esibhedlela ngihambe. uMusa waphuma esibhedlela guys, sambona ukuthi uyalulama. Very obvious indaba yesibhedlela beyithusa kakhulu and I was so happy ukuthi at least uMangwabe yamcabangela uMusa, even though yena athi alisekho uthando and akasafuni ukuhlala noMusa because uMusa bekahlala amkhuluma ngabi and indaba number 5. Okay fine, sasho ukuthi hayi ungcono uMangwabe unozwele, uMangwabe yamzwela uMusa uthi akahambi. Guys, then kwezindaba yephathi ye-50 years Musa, then she was given a task ukuthi organize that party and she said that party is goodbye Musa. Is a farewell. It's like a sort of party that part ukumtshengisa, you know what, she's giving her best so that uMusa azomkhumbuza inkusikhumbuzo. After that part uyahamba guys, azangahamba uMangwabe. Now uthi this is the last family trip yakamsele because wamana because after the family trip uyahamba. I don't think uMangwabe uzohamba, I don't believe uMangwabe uzohamba. And now because we see this season guys ishuthe last day, which is the year 2024, even now uMusamseleku still posting yena noMangwabe because indawo, even though uMusamseleku uyapost umntana kaMangwabe uyampost uMusa. It shows ukuthi they are a happy family and uMangwabe akayanga ndawo asigeva namahemeni ukuthi nangu uMangwabe knows, but no guys, uMangwabe sahlala kaMseleku, uMangwabe sese happy noMseleku. It shows that uMangwabe nje bakathusela uMusa ngento ngekho and now Musa siyabona on Uthando Nesithembu uMakhwela ulotsholiwe, uMakhwela uzoba nengane very soon. So sekahleleleni ugele ngoba basho bathi if ufuna ukuhamba makahambe indlu yakhe phambi kwegate ukufast ukuhamba. So I think mina ukuthi bekathusela uMusa, which is understandable guys. If you know, or if you are in a relationship, you know, which as amakhosikazi even nabantu besilisa, there are things that you say that you don't really mean. Sometimes uyasho ukuthi you know what, mawungahlala wangabuyi mina ngibuyela kithi, knowing deep down ukuthi you won't do that, just that mawusho lento leyo you want leyo muntu angayenzi, or sometimes you are saying that thing because you want leyo ukuthola attention yaloyo muntu loyo. Unfortunately uMusa akayi-entertain indaba kaMangwabe even though sike sambona amncenga ukuthi ungahambi, and the reason yaMusa yokuthi angahamba I think i-reason beyenza uMangwabe ahambe because i-reason ukuthi mele sihlalele ingane zethu. You cannot ukuthi as young as you are right to successful in a career then uhlala emshadweni just because uthi uhlalela ingane, ekubeni unengane wena engasiya la kaMseleku oyikhulisayo ongazange wahlala nobabayo wahlalela yona, uzohlalela lezi ezinye izingane. To me it doesn't make sense bazalwa bami. So but wena you can comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.